In this video, we cover the distinction between WordPress.com and WordPress.org. WordPress.org is also referred to as self-hosted WordPress. WordPress.com is a free hosting service for WordPress sites. However, it is limited. This is the back end of WordPress.com, and it looks a lot like a self-hosted WordPress site, but it lacks two very important features, which are, number one, the ability to use commercial or paid themes, and number two, the ability to use commercial plugins, including membership plugins and shopping carts. For this reason, it is more suitable for blogs or very simple sites. WordPress.org is not a hosting service. Rather, it is the repository of all the open source WordPress software. Now, to use this training, you will need to install the WordPress software on your hosting account. Now, you can either do this yourself manually by downloading the WordPress software from WordPress.org to your hosting account, or else, and this is much easier, use your hosting account automated install script. We cover this later. You will need to purchase both a domain and hosting account to use this training. And the reason is that we use the free Weaver 2 theme. Now, this is a free theme that is not provided on WordPress.com. You can only get it on WordPress.org, even though it's free. Now, we cover the very important topic of theme selection later on in this training.